In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link color on Elementor. Let's start inside your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your main options are. Find the option labeled Elementor. When you hover your mouse over Elementor, a few additional options will appear. From those options, choose the editor so you can open up the Elementor environment inside WordPress. After a moment, you'll see the Elementor dashboard load. This is the place where you build and design your site visually. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor so you can work directly on your pages and make design changes, like updating your link colors. Once the editor is open, navigate to the page or section where you have a link you want to change. Look for the specific widget that contains that link. This could be a text editor widget, a heading, a button, or any other element with a hyperlink. Click on that widget. As soon as you select it, its settings will appear in the left panel. In this settings panel, you'll see a few tabs at the top, usually including Content, Style, and maybe Advanced. Click on the Style tab. This is where you control how your widget looks. Inside the Style tab, look for an option called Link Color. Next to the Link Color label, you'll see a small globe icon and a small color swatch. Click on the color swatch. This will open up the color picker. The color picker lets you choose any color you want for your link. You can drag around the color area, adjust the hue slider, or, if you know it, type in a specific hex code. As you change the color, you should see a live preview of how your link will look on the page. Take a moment to pick a color that matches your site's branding and is easy for visitors to see and recognize as a clickable link. When you're happy with the new link color, the last step is to save your changes. Go back up to the top right corner of the screen and click either Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new page. Wait for the update to complete, and your new link color will now be live on your site.